It's the Texas weather discussion video for Tuesday, the 23rd of January. I'm Donovan Neal. We remain very cool and comfortable for the rest of this week with our next shot of rain Friday and this weekend, and the rest of January into early February looks very pleasant. We'll dive in here. Let's take a look at the water. This is the upper air look at 500 millibars. That trough axis, that storm system, is lifting off to the Midwest. We remain dry for today, and temperatures are actually some places are below freezing at 506. DFW 40, Dallas Love Field 37, Arlington 34, Denton 31. A light freeze may be developing and light frost may be developing in some spots, but that's okay as that should quickly melt as we progress through the day. Again, we should warm very nicely to the low 60s today. Shouldn't be an issue across the nation. Much of the cold air is in the mountainous regions, preferably in the Four Corners region, where they're in the teens, actually. And we won't see low temperatures in the teens for a while now. Across the watch warning map, only notable thing is the winter storm watches, warnings and advisories out in the northwest near New England and Maine. Down here, things remain quiet, and any severe weather, maybe some severe weather for Virginia Beach and Raleigh and some of the adjacent areas. Otherwise, no issues with severe weather elsewhere. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. Big rains for the Pacific, still for the Pacific Northwest, and down here only about 1/10 of an inch of rain here for parts of North Texas. And again, that's anything that we see this weekend into Friday. Only a few showers remain possible. So let's talk about it. How much rain are we expected to get? This is the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at noon. We have trough axis lifts out of the deep south. Heights are about where they should be down here, and we remain pretty dry. Again, should be another very comfortable, very pleasant day with highs in the low 60s. Same deal on Wednesday. Again, abundant sunshine, highs low 60s. And same thing on Thursday. Now, as we get into Friday, the GFS is very consistent with the idea of a few showers developing in north and central Texas. And we'll just have to wait and see how much rain that produces. But by Saturday, surface front is due in here by Saturday. We could see another chance of showers and storms. GFS not really aggressive with the amount of rain that we have, but we could see a couple of scattered showers and storms on Saturday, and then we trend dry on Sunday. We could see a lingering shower or two, but highs generally remain in the mid 50s with a very sunny day. Here's Monday of next week. Again, we trend drier with highs in the upper 50s. And here's a week from today, Thursday, the 30th of January. Highs are actually starting to come up across the nation. And down here, we remain pretty dry. Could be a very windy day next Tuesday with highs in the low 60s. I mean. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Friday, the 2nd of February. That big trough axis tilts to the east, and we remain pretty dry. Looks like snow for parts of Nashville and Kentucky, and some big rains for the southeast. But down here we remain dry. And just out of curiosity, this is the European ensemble. This is the temperature anomalies. One of the people I work with asked if they're going to be a big freeze anytime soon. Well, this is as close to a big freeze you'll get. This is valid through the 4th to the 11th of February, and it shows below average temperatures widespread across the nation, across the central and eastern parts of the nation. And does that really represent a big freeze? Well, not really, but it does represent, at least we'll have another shot of below average temperatures for the next for going into early to mid-February. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, we generally remain in the low 60s for the rest of January, and then we remain a little below average for the early February days. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes in the blog. Next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.